From the Apps panel within your editor, you can understand the upstream dependencies and downstream impact of a model before your code hits production. It's called data lineage, and let's walk through the various features. At the bottom of your screen, you will see all the immediate upstream and downstream dependencies of the model currently open in your editor. And as you navigate through other DBT models in your project, your lineage will update accordingly. To change the number of visible upstream and downstream dependencies, use the text fields on the right and click Enter. And to view all upstream and downstream dependencies, simply add plus symbols to the text fields and click Enter again. Using the icons on the right, you can zoom in, out, and recenter your lineage view. Or you can use your trackpad to pinch in and out. Additionally, you can expand the lineage view to fit your entire screen, and then collapse it when you're done investigating. And if you need additional info on lineage, click the Need Help button, where you'll find in-app documentation as well as links to more materials.